Hello everybody, this is Louisa from Ellie Vapor Studio, and today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing my 2018 plan, posting and blogging and video posting plan with you guys. I am doing this as an introduction because I am doing something very different this year. I'm going back to regular series, which is how I started my channel and my blog. I like how structured, I like the structure of it, and also it allows me to plan for my projects a little bit better. So I'm starting with, I created this planner. This is, I used just some papers from different collections that I just had laying around that I thought were really pretty and that would go well and would inspire me. This is a very thin planner because it's only a monthly spread with a yearly at the beginning. And then at the front, I just put a sticker that says, "Today is a perfect day to start living your dreams," which is very fitting to what I'm doing right now. Now, I really love and enjoy crafting, and I really also enjoy sharing it with the online community. So this is kind of why I'm doing this, in addition because it's just fun for me and it inspires me to continue to create new projects and do different things for my personal life as well as for my Etsy shop. So here's my yearly spread, and as you can see, I also, all my pages are themed with either live your dreams or love or follow your heart, something of that effect. So my schedule moving forward is going to be very interesting, and I will be posting it all over the web on my blog and on my Pinterest profile page and everywhere. But I'm going to, right now, my plan, and of course, I'm willing to change it because I have to be flexible. I just had a little girl. This is my first baby. And I honestly have no idea what I'm signing myself up for. I'm also I'm going to be continuing my job just regularly, and in addition, I have a few other projects that I have going on. So it's a lot to take on, but I'm excited about. I like the challenge. So my plan right now is that I'm going to be doing Throwback Thursdays, which will be a weekly series. You most likely will not see it on YouTube because it's all YouTube videos and projects that I had posted on my old blogger blog. And since that is now out of commission and I'm moving completely to this new format and my new website, I'm going to be reposting those posts each Thursday. So you may not be seeing anything on YouTube, but you're definitely, if you're a subscriber at my blog or if you follow me, you'll definitely be seeing it at my blog. And those are Throwback Thursdays every Thursday. And each month we'll have a little bit of a different theme. So one month I may do every Thursday just different layouts or different mini albums. I'll just be taking content from things that I had posted on my old post. Next is going to be my bi-weekly postings, and they're going to alternate. So every other Wednesday I'll be doing a 5-minute craft and chat, and that's just going to be a 5-minute video where I just it's not really a vlog because I'm not blogging about my own personal life, but I will be talking about things that I'm doing in my craft room with my projects, recommendations, talk about maybe even a quick tutorial, just 5-minute quick craft chats that are meant to help you as a crafter to either get inspired or learn something or maybe share some information. And if you guys have recommendations too, I may have questions that I'll be posting during those craft chats. So that's going to be on Wednesdays. Then every other Saturday, alternating from those Wednesdays, is going to be a layout Saturday, and those are going to be either scrapbook, regular 12x12 scrapbook layouts with a lot of die cuts on them, as I traditionally like to do, or they can be the traditional Project Life pocket page layouts, or they can be my own version of Project Life, which is a 12x12 layout, but with a lot of different layers and very specific blocks. And then finally, I'm going to have 2 monthly series. Every last Monday of the month, I'm going to be doing a jewelry introduction. As you know, or as you may know, my mom does handmade jewelry, really beautiful handmade jewelry, and she has her product on my Etsy shop. So every so often I'll make a video of different things that are happening and that are getting posted on my Etsy shop that are available for you to buy. So I'll be doing just a little, this is what she has been working on this month, and just showing a few of the products, or it's just going to be a jewelry show, project share, and it's probably going to be also a very quick 5-minute video. And then finally, every fourth Friday of the month, I will have the Freebie Friday, which I will be posting a project that I've done with something that I've created on my own, and that I will be giving you full access to download for free and for you to create, whether it's a tutorial or a PDF for you to print at home, planner pages, SVG cuts, silhouette cut files, silhouette cut and print files, a variety of free product or free projects that I'll be offering to subscribers on my website. You don't really need to, all you need to do is go to my website, put your email address. You don't need to create an account or have a password or keep another password. Gosh knows that that's really difficult already. So when you subscribe, you get a coupon to my Etsy shop, and in addition, you get a username and a password to the private area on my website so that you can access it and download all the free content that's available there. So it's a great way for you to not only get all my posts and videos directly to your email and get alerts, and you can just read it on your email, maybe on your as you're having a cup of coffee in the morning, or as you're creating in your craft room, whatever is your case, it'll send the post to your email. But in addition to that, you have that username and password available to you for free content and just free coupons that sometimes I put on there. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a sneak peek of what my planner looks like. And I'm just going to stand up real quick to make sure that it's sort of on frame. So this is my first half of January page. I really love this spread for a planner, by the way. So I'll probably be putting this as a freebie, making this a Freebie Friday PDF eventually, available to subscribers. So what I've done is that it's a 2-page spread, as you can see. But then on the January side, on the first side, this is the introduction video, and this is solely for my craft room and my posting projects, and for me to know what projects I need to work on. Also for my personal project life, and like my personal life. Sometimes I have people that I know their birthdays are coming up and I have to make a gift for them, so I'll make them a mini album or a planner or something really cute. So this way I know what I need to get done for this month. So as you can see, this is probably going to be uploaded and posted on New Year's, the first day of the year. This is how I'm starting my 2018, starting it with a bang. And so I'm giving you an introduction to my new schedule and to my new posting schedule and everything. On Wednesday, I'll be releasing my 2018 craft room tour. A lot of things have changed. A lot of things have changed in my craft room, mainly because my parents now live in the studio apartment above from my house. So, which is wonderful. I have them very close by, and it's really, really working out. I'm really happy how everything has turned out, especially with my daughter. But in addition, it also means that we combine craft rooms. Her jewelry stuff mainly still remains upstairs, but all her paper stuff we combined into mine, because of course we're both paper crafters. Mainly me, I'm the bigger paper crafter, but still she had some good product that I can now work with. So I'm really excited because I have my craft room just basically doubled in things that I have to work with. I also had to dispose of a lot of things I knew I wasn't using, and I also had to rearrange a lot of things and get some new modules and new furniture. So I'm going to be doing a tour of that. And then that same week, I have my Throwback Thursday. I'm going to be doing all Happy New Year, Winter, and Valentine's. Is basically the theme of Throwback Thursday this month, is basically just what's coming up in the year. And then I'll be having on Tuesday, I hope to be filming a baby trifold update or project share. It's almost completed. I just have to finish a few of the pages on the trifold, but I want to do that project share, and that's just an one-off that I'll be filming. That's not part of any series or anything. And then again, Throwback Thursdays, there's going to be a winter layout that I did a long time ago. And then the next series that's available is the Saturday layout, which is going to be the March 2017 Project Life layout. And that will be available that day. I'm still working my 2017 Project Life, so I'm a year away. Hopefully, I'm trying to catch up by at least June. Next on, I have a baby crafting. My craft chat is going to be, my next craft chat after my craft room tour is going to be a chat about how I'm dealing with baby, crafting, my own life. I still haven't gone back to work at that point, so we'll see how it goes. I'll probably be doing an update sometime in the spring. And then again, Throwback Thursday. And then I'm not going to be posting any new content until Freebie Friday, which I'm going to be doing a very great 2018 calendar series special, and I'll be posting a freebie there for a 2018 calendar or several 2018 calendars. If you collect all my freebies, the idea is that eventually you can make your own planners and you can print, and you have a lot of different pages that you can work from. Some of these will also be available as bundles and on my Etsy shop with planners, but the Freebie Fridays will mainly be a little bit different because, of course, I want to offer premium product on my Etsy shop. If you want to create yourself a planner, you can go ahead and go there, and there's downloadable. It is downloadable into your email right away. And then the next one after that is a baby Project Life intro, and then a personalized jewelry Monday jewelry special. That's going to be really exciting because my mom has been working on bracelets and just jewelry that's handmade, but it has personalization. So whether it's names or people's, like for instance, I just had a baby girl, so of course I want to be wearing her initials and her name everywhere because it means a lot to me. And my pets as well, I want to wear them all at the same time, their initials. And then finally, my last craft and chat for the month is going to be shopping, craft shopping. What do I do? Where do I shop? Where do I prefer to shop, and why? So this is just a little bit of a introduction to what's going on in January and what's going to be going on for the rest of the year, hopefully, on my channel. Of course, it's subject to change, but I hope you enjoy this. And if you like this, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're excited about this and you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope to be bringing a lot of great content to you in 2018. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at another video.